He left the yes, he left the city without the permission of Allah, right? And then what did he do? He prayed to Allah with sincere repentance, right? And then what did he pray? Yes, mashallah, very good. What does it mean?
There is no
But you, there is no God but you. Glory be to you. Indeed, I was among the wrongdoers. Wrongdoers means what? गलत करने वाले, right? बेशक मैं गलत करने वालों में से हूँ, लेकिन बेशक तू रहीम है, तमाम तारीफें तेरे लिए हैं, right? And then Allah accepted his sincere repentance. No.
Yes.
After several days, what happened? The fish. What did the fish do after several days? Yes, very good. He vomited. Yunus alayhi salam. Very good, mashallah. Yusuf Saleh. Very good. And vomited Yunus alayhi salam, right? And vomited Yunus alayhi salam. How was he when he came? When he was vomited out from the fish? How was he? Was very strong. He was very weak and ill. So Allah wrote the plan, right? Allah caused the plan to
Recover him.
and shake him until he recovered, right? Allah caused the plan to grow and shake him until he recovered. And then he returned to Nebna. And then he returned to city, right? And at that time, how the people treated him?
They welcomed him.
They welcomed him, right, with the peace and mercy, because at that time all the people they believed Allah, right? Okay. तुम्हें कुछ भी करो, अल्लाह से मदद मांगना. अल्लाह मैं करो मुझे नहीं हो रहा. बेशक तू मदद करने वाला. You should help me. Understand, children? Before you do anything, you should take permission from Allah, right? You take permission from your parents, no? Huh? When you go out, when you go to school, wherever you go out, whatever you do, you take the permission of your parents, right? Yes or no? Can you do without your parents' permission? Yes. So because your parents know very well whether it is wrong or bad, wrong or good or wrong, isn't it? Right or wrong? Good or bad for you. So before doing anything, how you take the permission of your parents? In the same way, you should take the permission of Allah also from your heart. Understand? You should close your eyes and you should say to Allah whatever you feel to say. You should close your eyes and you just try to talk with Allah. Understand? Allah will listen to you, inshallah.